So here we are starting our next chapter, fundamental operations. So this chapter includes the basic fundamental operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and we will handle the large numbers that we have studied in the first chapter. Okay, so we will do the calculations and operations of this large type of numbers. Okay. So first one is addition. So we will handle addition of 5 digits or 6 digit numbers. And to do that addition, we know that addition we have studied from second class onwards. From standard 2 onwards you have studied addition. So here also we will do the same addition method. There is no change in the method, but we will have more digits. That's the only difference we will have. So to do the addition of 5 or 6 digit numbers, first we have to arrange that numbers properly according to the place values. Arrange the numbers and then do the normal addition. So no need of any explanation. I think we have to do the normal addition method. Okay. And we have some properties of addition. So see, the first property is order property. That means when we change the order of the numbers, there will be no change in the answer. For example, you know that 5 plus 8 is equal to 8 plus 5. If that numbers are interchanged, there will be no change. Similarly, for large numbers also, if we interchange or if we make change in the order of the numbers, there will be no change. And second one is additive property of 0. That means when we add 0 to a number, there will be no change. Like 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Answer will be same. Like also, if in the case of large numbers also, if we add 0 to a number, the answer, there will be no change in the answer. Another property is the grouping property. For example, for adding 3 numbers, if we want to add 3 numbers, we will add the first 2 numbers and we will get a sum. That sum you have to add with the third number. Okay, it will be always equal to add the first digit or the first number to the second 2 numbers. For example, you have given example 5. See that example 5, 1750 plus 10,000. So first add that 2 numbers, you will get 11,750. Then add that number with 5,000, you will get 16,750. Similarly, if we add 1,750 to the next 2 numbers sum, next 2 numbers are 10,000 and 5,000, so it becomes 15,000. So if we add that 15,000 to 1,750, then also the answer will be same. So the next operation is subtraction. Subtraction property also we have studied from second class onwards. So here also we will handle the same method of subtraction. The only change is the amount of the increase in the digits. Here we have 6 or 5 or 6 digits are there, and the method that we follow to do the subtraction is exactly the same method. First we have to arrange the numbers and then do the subtraction. Okay, subtraction method you know. Here also we have some properties. The first property is that in subtraction we cannot change the order of numbers. You know that 4 minus 5 is not equal to 5 minus 4. The answers will change. So we cannot change the order of the numbers. But in addition we can change 5 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 5. But in subtraction you cannot change that order. And second property is that when a number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. That is 5 minus 5. It becomes 0. Like that, if we subtract a large number from that same number, it will be 0. Then the next operation, that is multiplication of 4 or 5 digit numbers. We can follow 2 methods. you can study the two methods. Both the methods are simple methods. The first method is the normal multiplication method that you have learned from third standard onwards. The normal multiplication method that see that example, multiply 2345 by 4. So we will arrange the numbers and we have to multiply with 4. So how will we multiply? The normal method. 4 have to multiply with all the digits from the left side. So first multiply 4 and 5. 4 into 5 is 20. So you will put the 0 and carry 2. Then 4 into 4, 16 plus 2, 18. We will write 8 and carry 1. 4 into 3, 12 and plus 1 carry. So it is 13 and we will write 3 and we have carry 1 is there. So next one, 4 into 2, that is 8 plus 1 carry is there. So answer is, so it becomes 9. So finally we will get 9380. That's the method that we have followed. Already you know that. And next one is using the method of expansion, expanded method. So 2345, we will split that number. We can split it as 2000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5. That is, we will split that number according to its place value. Then multiply it with 4. That means each digit, each number you have to multiply with 4. First multiply that 2000 with 4 plus 300 into 4 plus 40 into 4 plus 5 into 4. So each number that you split, you have to multiply it with 4. Then add all that numbers, you will get the same answer. You can follow that any method, the easiest method you can follow. Okay,